gonna go for a swim down to the beach, aren't we?
Yeah, the lift's broken. Is it 85 foot lift, 90 something foot lift?
Yeah,
but it's going to get fixed tomorrow. So we're going with Orla, who we've met today, a new lady in the group, and we're going for a swim in the sea. And they're going to give us a lift down.
So that's where we're going. We're going to the private beach just there. And there's the lift that we'd normally take to go down. This is the hotel where we are now. The lift comes out at there.
Because the lift is broken, today we have come down with Ornella to another entrance to the beach, and we're walking along. They own this cliff, and we're walking to the beach an unusual way. Ornella has dropped off the car there, and we have to walk this way only today.
Oh, there's the lift. There's a great echo in there. Now that's what I call an echo. So can we not walk down those steps there then, if the lift's not working?
No, because those steps are emergency steps.
There's the lift, and you're supposed to be able to come down. First time swimming in Italy since I last got stung by jellyfish. Oh, it's cold. Ooh, oh, it's cold.
Oh, it's only May in Italy, so it's a little bit cold.
Go for it. Go, go, go.
So much for Wim Hof jumping in iced water.
Apparently the lift is now working for the first time in a long time, so I'm gonna risk it. So if I get stuck in the lift, this is going to be an interesting video. This is the scary lift. Seems to be going well. Nice and smooth. It is a long way down, so I'm not surprised it's taken so long. Still going. This is a long way down. It's nice and cool in here because we're in the mountain now. We're here. We're here. Oh, perfecto.
How do you have that running on my arm?